Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little quick haul. While I was at Michael's getting supplies for my project, I came across these squishies and I'm so excited to show you them. So these are what they look like. I have a soccer ball, a baseball, a football, and a basketball. They do not bounce, but each of them costed $1, and I took these two both out of the packaging. So yeah, this is what the packaging looked like in this netted material, and this is the tag. Okay, so this is the most squishy, so I'm just gonna keep that aside, but I'm gonna squish them for you, and they're not like stress balls. They're actually pretty soft, and okay, yeah. So let me squish this one first. I like squishing it like that. So yeah. Then I have the basketball. They do kind of smell like like these ones smell like perfume. Kind of, not that much though. Just like light hint. But yeah. Next is the baseball. It's very squishy. Okay, last but not least is the soccer ball, and it's so like soft and like as soon as I put my hand on here, it starts to squish. Watch. Okay, ready? It's just like an iPhone squishy, and like, I know it's not a real squishy, but I mean it's basically close. And it says crush ball, squeeze it. I know it says 3 and up, but I'm 3 and up, trust me. So last squish of all of them is flat test. Next one is the football. Next is the baseball. Again, here's the tag. Then last but not least is the soccer ball, which is probably my favorite squish-wise. This is like still slow rising. Okay. That is insanity. Yes, they do have defects, as you can see. But if you just squish down on the seam, nothing is going to rip apart. So, I hope you guys like this video. Definitely go to Michael's and buy these. They're only $1 each. And I thought that they were going to be like stress balls, but I've seen these. I've definitely seen the football one on YouTube, so I was like, OMG, do I have them at mine? And yes, I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.